In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the visibility of elements within your CMS collection template page effortlessly. Whether you're looking to customize how certain components appear or just want to fine-tune your design for a particular audience, these simple steps will guide you through the process efficiently. The first thing you'll want to do is select the specific element you wish to either hide or show within your CMS collection template page. This could be any component that fits into your design, like text blocks, images, or any other part that makes up your CMS-driven content. By pinpointing this element, you're setting the stage for personalized customization. Once you've selected your element, it's time to move over to the Element Settings panel. You'll recognize it by the gear icon that symbolizes settings across many platforms. By opening this panel, you gain access to all the functionalities and adjustments you need for a seamless customization process. Now, in the Element Settings panel, you need to locate the Conditional Visibility settings. Once you find it, you'll notice a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to setting specific conditions governing the visibility of your selected element. Think of it like creating rules. Only those conditions you set will determine when and how this element appears on your page. The next step involves choosing the custom field from your CMS collection that will operate as the deciding factor for visibility. This step is crucial as it allows you to harness the power of your existing CMS data to control how your template behaves for different content entries. Now, it's time to set the condition that dictates your element's visibility. Conditions are essentially the rule book for when your element should show or hide. You'll start by choosing an operator, which is like a command that tells your template what to look for. Options include equals, is set, is not set, greater than, among others, each serving a unique purpose in the decision-making process. If your condition requires it, this is where you specify a value. For example, if you have a field in your CMS named Show Element, and you want something visible only when that field equals yes, this is where you make that designation. The condition works as a logical statement, detailing the precise circumstances under which the element should be visible on your page. After setting up your conditions and ensuring every detail aligns with your design goals, the final step is clicking Save. Saving confirms your settings and ensures they're applied live on your CMS collection template, allowing your dynamic content to reflect the conditions you've established. By following these steps, you now have a robust toolset for customizing the visibility of elements within your CMS collection templates. This could lead to a more engaging, personalized experience for your audience, fully aligning with your core creative vision.